Welcome to one of Jordan's beautiful hidden valleys, where oak trees, rugged rocks, and colorful wildflowers create a peaceful escape into nature. Among all the plants growing here is one that immediately catches the eye. This remarkable plant is called the Globe Thistle, scientifically known as Echinops. As we explore this beautiful valley together, let's discover 10 fascinating facts about this incredible wildflower and learn why it's much more than just another beautiful bloom. Fact 1. It isn't just one flower. At first glance, it appears to be a single flower. But if you look closely, each blue globe is actually made up of hundreds of tiny individual flowers packed together into one perfectly rounded shape. Fact 2. Its name has an interesting meaning. The scientific name, Echinops, comes from ancient Greek. Echinus means hedgehog or sea urchin, while ops means appearance. Together, the name means hedgehog-like, a perfect description of its spiky flower head. Fortunately, these spikes are far less intimidating than they look. Fact 3. It loves tough environments. One reason globe thistle grows so well in places like this valley is because it thrives where many other plants struggle. Its deep root system helps it survive long periods without rain. The rocky ground surrounding us may seem harsh, but for globe thistle, it's almost the perfect home. This ability allows it to flourish across many dry regions of the Middle East and beyond. Fact 4. Pollinators love it. If you look closely at these globe thistles, you'll notice they are covered with tiny visitors. While bees and butterflies often steal the spotlight, these flowers also attract many different beetles, including leaf beetles. Leaf beetles come here to feed on pollen, flower parts, or nearby leaves, making them part of the valley's rich ecosystem. Although some species can damage plants in gardens or farms, in nature habitats they play an important role in the food web. Every insect you see here becomes food for birds, reptiles, spiders, and other wildlife. Fact 5. Its blue color is rare. Blue is actually one of the rarest colors found naturally in flowers. That makes globe thistle especially eye-catching. Against the green trees, gray rocks, and golden grasses of this Jordanian valley, its brilliant blue flowers create a striking contrast that photographers and nature lovers appreciate every summer. Fact 6. It grows across 3 continents. Although we are enjoying these flowers here in Jordan today, globe thistle has a much larger natural range. Different species grow across Europe, Asia, North Africa, and the Middle East. More than 100 species belong to the Echinops genus. each adapted to its own environment while sharing the same unmistakable globe-shaped flowers. Fact 7. Birds benefit too. The globe thistle continues supporting wildlife even after the flowers fade. Its seeds become food for many birds during late summer and fall. Instead of removing dried plants immediately, they are left standing so they can continue feeding wildlife long after the blooming season has ended. Fact 8. Gardeners around the world grow it. Because of its unusual appearance and ability to tolerate drought, globe thistle has become popular in gardens around the world. It requires relatively little maintenance while producing spectacular blooms that return year after year. Fact 9. It plays an important role in the ecosystem. Every wildflower contributes something to the environment. Globe thistle helps support insects, provides food for birds, and increases plant diversity. Healthy valleys depend on many different species working together. Fact 10. Nature still has many secrets. Scientists continue studying plants like globe thistle to better understand their adaptations, ecology, and relationships with pollinators. Even a flower that seems familiar at first glance still has mysteries waiting to be discovered. As our journey through this peaceful Jordanian valley comes to an end, it's easy to understand why even a single wildflower deserves our attention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor journeys, and I'll see you in the next adventure.